Did you remember my video that a cow giving birth? So this is the calf right now. She is.
Her name is Chin.
Yeah, her name is Chin. She is big already, and soon she become a mother cow also.
Hey, what happened to you?
The sister. Oh my God! Hi, hi, hi! My God, my God! Oh,
Aba, goat.
and also a goat. Oh my God! Why this place a lot of? Actually, this is the cow of my sister, my Linda. They put here because this land is a vacant land, so no corn, no plants to eat. So Zia and I visit on my parents. So yeah, this is the so. So through this video, I'm sure someone through this video someone remember this place. When he is coming here. Did you see the the view? It's really beautiful, my God. Did you see that? Oh, okay. That is the ocean. Yeah, that is the ocean. So, yeah. That is the ocean. And my parents' home. So, I'm here to visit and to help my parents planting corn because my parents have huge of cornfield, so I need to help them so that they can finish early. Yeah. So yeah, I think that's all about it. So my parents' home is alone here. They don't have neighbors, so my parents living alone here. So this land is for my parents. So